Rattle for crates. Going to the recycle centre to drop off these bottles. So we got some recooked crates. So I forgot to film today. It was a nice day, so I just nailed into putting the ventilation skylight into the roof. So I had to cut a hole into the steel plate, and this is the unit here right next to the spinner doodler. Just all glued in. And then oh god, it's a freaking mess in there at the moment. I don't really want to show you, but here we go. Bomb site. So I got all these boards for free off Facebook. So plywood boards, they can just sit there for the records. ABC crates. So this is what I'm going to deck out for the record bins. This is the underside for the little vent skylights. It's got I think I've glued it all together. Use this really hard out glue. It's just going everywhere. But yeah, that's what it looks like at the moment. Not the prettiest, but it'll all tidy up with all the flashing. Yeah, nice ventilation. It's right below where the counter is, so I mean, even today I think it's spring now. It's freaking hot, man. So this will allow air through the front door, and it can jump out here because these vents that go up to the spinners, I think they're more for taking air out, or maybe pushing air in. It doesn't seem to really do much. These posters, I don't know if you just heard that crack, this is what they keep doing. They just keep going snap. Just popping off in front and centre, like this. This. Really annoying. I have to keep, I might have to use something more than wallpaper paste. But yeah, okay, that's it up there. So today, pretty productive. I got the rest of the solar, so we have power in the truck now. Just down here. So that's the behemoth battery. The idea is when I make some money, I'm gonna get 2 of those, just so I'm ultra safe. Got a breaker box in place. One breaker is from the solar, so in case something goes wrong there, it will shut off and stop anything bad happening, and the other one goes to the battery. Battery? Yeah, just in case there's a surge or anything like that. We've got a Bluetooth solar controller, so I can use my phone to see where my charge is at, how much power I'm using, and this is the inverter, 2000 watt pure Synwave, and that will run, you know, the music in the shop, the turntable, all that kind of stuff. I also painted the outside of the truck, just one side, just to test it out. Idea is each side's going to be different, but it's a beautiful pastel baby blue. Underneath there I've got some rust brown, which I'll sand back to sort of make it look like the truck's a bit rusted and a bit older than new. But yeah, pretty much each side's going to be a different colour just because I just bought 4 cans of each colour because it's street graph paint, so it goes on thick and fat, which is good. You can see the rust spray down there, which will come through. But yeah, that's today. The truck at the moment is nothing like a record store. It looks like a crack addict lives here. A metha poozer. These are the cubes I got, so yeah, it's just a mess. But yeah, I'll put a little TV in that one. Just maybe a bit of Nintendo and stuff in there. Amp and stuff will rack up to that. This little gap at the back here either is going to be a couch, but more it probably will actually become where I put my t-shirt rack, because yeah, I'm running out of space. I mean, I take up quite a bit of space behind the counter, but you know, I'm going to be in here a lot, so I need a little bit of room. There's a skylight I did the other day. I've got these little kind of sensor lights around, so when the sun comes down at night, these sense and they will pop on. So they're not dependent on the solar, they just have their own battery in them. It's quite handy. Yeah, that's about it so far. Yeah.
You want science? Okay, I'll give you science. I'll give you chemistry. Are you ready? Okay, everybody go.
Celebration. Amp running off truck power with a live display on my phone, which is cool. I'm just testing it now. I haven't put the speakers up yet, but yeah. We have power. Alright, today's mission, building some boxes to hold these Lyall toes. They'll be the house system. These are a beautiful speaker, perfect for the store. I've had these for a while, I'll never get rid of them. But yeah, I was going to go for 4 speakers, but I'll just go for 2. Because, yeah, why would I want to do anything else but those? I've got all these ABC crates. These are for the record bins. This is okay, got the speakers installed. Oh, there. Just like that. Pretty simple. Amp. And the other one's just over here. And then for my bins, that's what they're looking like. Just a 3x2. Good amount of records in there, and it's all locked in tight. So when the vehicle's driving, they're nice and safe. Solar below the bins, I'll just curtain that off. And I've still got all this to do in records, below in records as well. And I'll have CDs and tapes over there.